Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going through Form 1 Mathematics under the topic Algebra, and the question we have reads: find the values of A and B in the figure below, hence calculate the area of the rectangle for marks. We know this is a rectangle where this length and this length are equal. Also this width and this other one are equal. Therefore, we can take this length, we equate it to this other length. That is, we are going to have 4A plus 3 being equal to A plus 6B. So from here, if we rearrange this equation by bringing A plus 6B to this other side, we are going to have 4A minus A minus 6B being equal to positive 3 goes to this other side and becomes a negative. So from here we know 4A minus A gives us 3A minus 6B, and this one is equal to negative 3, which is our first equation. Also 4A minus B is equal to 3A plus 1, meaning this side is also equal to this other one. So if we bring 3A to this other side, we are going to have 4A minus 3A minus B being equal to positive 1. So 4A minus 3A gives us A minus B, and this one is equal to 1, and this one is equal to 1, and this forms our second equation. So if we bring the two equations together, we are going to have 4A, we are going to have 3A, we are going to have 3A minus 6B being equal to negative 3, and also equation 2, A minus B is equal to positive 1. These two are simultaneous equations which can be solved by a number of methods, but I choose to use elimination. We can eliminate the part having B or the part having A. So if I decide to eliminate the part having A, the coefficient of A in the first equation is multiplied in the second, and the coefficient of A in the second equation is multiplied with the first one. In that now we are going to have 1 times 3A becomes 3A, 1 times negative 6B becomes negative 6B, and this one is going to be equal to negative 3. Then 3 times A becomes 3A, 3 times negative B becomes negative 3B, and this one is going to be 3 times 1, which is 3. Once we have unified the part having A, this part cancels such that 3A minus 3A gives us a 0. So we remain with minus 6B minus 3B, that is the same as negative 6B, plus 3B, which gives us negative 3B, being equal to negative 3 minus 3, it gives us negative 6. And if you want to get the value of B, we divide by negative 3 on both sides, where negative 3 and negative 3 cancel, and B is going to be equal to positive 2. Once we have the value of B, we can substitute it in either equation 1 or equation 2 for us to get the value of A. So we can say using equation 2, and equation 2 is where we have A minus B being equal to positive 1. So we have A minus the value of B, which is 2, and this one is going to be equal to 1. So if we take negative 2 to the other side, it becomes a plus, and therefore A is going to be equal to 3. So the first part of the question is where we are supposed to find the values of a and b, and therefore now we have our a being equal to 3 and b being equal to positive 2. Once we have done that, now we take them back to the equation and substitute them. So if the value of a is 3 and the value of b is positive 2, we can now get the width and the length. For us to get the length is going to be equal to 3 times a, and the value of a is 3, so it is going to be 4 times 3, which is 12, plus 3, which gives us 15, and the width is going to be equal to 3 times a. The value of a is 3, so that is 9 plus 1, and this one gives us 10. Having gotten the length and the width, we can now calculate the area of the rectangle. Area of the rectangle is given by the length times width. We have already gotten our length, which is 15 centimeters, and the width is 10. So if you take 15, you multiply by 10, this one is going to give us 150 square units. Since we do not know if the measurements are in centimeters, meters, or even kilometers, so our answer is going to be in square units. Thank you for watching and welcome to this channel.